Is it permissible for one to become a television presenter? But there's a condition. Let me just tell what the condition is. There is no free mixing on set, you see. However, women are cast in the role that he is doing. So he doesn't see any women. He's only on an episode of his own, but there are women who appear on other episodes he is not in. Is it prohibited to act in such a show?
If a person has a program of his own, that it is totally halal. So there's no music on the program, there are no women, there is nothing haram. The cameraman, the microphone technician, the director, the editor, everyone is male. That is totally halal without any problem, as long as the content of the program and the program itself is halal. Being on a platform that may air something haram is a disputable issue among scholars. Some would say, you are aiding them. You're giving them credibility. Others would say, actually, I'm reducing the amount of sin, because if it were to air 24 hours of haram content, I'm making it 23 hours and a half. And the other half, I'm giving something that someone may benefit from Islamically, or at least worldly, depending on the content. So I am inclined to say there is no problem in that, bearing in mind that I know of many people who started to anchor programs, to host such programs, and fame dragged them to swamps of haram. I've known presenters who used to come on Islamic channels, and they were bearded, they had excellent subjects, and now they are on haram channels, clean-shaven, indulging in politics, indulging in haram topics, don't have a problem with being hosted or hosting females on set, talking to them freely. So be careful, my friend, because fame has a price, and usually it's not good for you, especially on the hereafter level. We have a saying in Arabic, حُبُّ الظُّهُورِ قَصَمَ الظُّهُورِ. Dhuhur in both phrases, one means to appear and to be famous, and the other one means the backbone. So the desire to be famous broke people's backs, because this would lead them to doing haram things little by little.